Thanks for tuning in to From My Mouth to Yours. This episode, we will be diving into some homemade cornbread. So, first off, you'll need a mixing bowl, and our ingredients are 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For our liquid ingredients, we have 1/3 cup of oil. I'm using olive oil, 1 cup of milk, and 2 eggs. So we are going to start by combining our dry ingredients. There's our 1 cup of cornmeal, our 1 cup of flour, and then we have the 3 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt going in, and the half a cup of white granulated sugar. We are going to mix that up till it's all together. Great, that's looking good. All right, now for our wet ingredients, the 1/3 cup of oil. Boom. Our 1 cup of milk. Boom. And our 2 eggs. 1 and 2. There goes the liquid ingredients. We're mixing, mixing, mixing. With some cornbread, I love me some honey butter. So if you're interested in honey butter, quick tip is 1 stick of salted butter, taste out the honey and taste out the salt and the cinnamon. Don't forget the salt because it really brings all the flavors in together. All right, so we are all mixed in together now, and we have a 8x8 baking pan. We have previously preheated our oven to 400 degrees, and we have also buttered our nonstick pan. You don't necessarily have to with a nonstick pan, but I like the crisp that the butter gives when you bake into it. Right. Cool. So if your oven is at 400 degrees, go ahead and stick the cornbread in for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Yep, now we wait. All right, so it's been 25 minutes and our cornbread should be ready. Look at that, beautiful golden brown. Voila. You have cornbread. So thank you so much for joining me today on From My Mouth to Yours. It's been such a pleasure cooking with you, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends, and also let me know if you try this recipe, how it turns out. So thank you once again, and have a great day.